I feel like this is going to become an incredibly popular video in a very short amount of time. Welcome back to the many weird noises of Viri. I'm sure you all may have been waiting for this. Or at least, if you weren't, you're happy that it's here now. I'm going to start now. Thanks. This isn't going very well starting off. What? I can grammar. Yes. Hi, Ripley Roo! Ripley Roo! Ripley Roo! Yes, I am back to doing that. That's where I get all my ideas. Did that well without taking a single breath. Wow, my throat hurts now. Ripley!
What you doing? What you doing?
Hey, Would you just a little puppet? Oh, look at that! You got mud on my pants. Thanks. 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 Woo! Woo! There's a very obnoxious noise going on in my headphones right now because I can hear the microphone feedback in the speakers, and it's really, really annoying. Hey, dog, stop. Don't. No, 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 no. Have I been doing this for 4 minutes already? Wow. I can't believe I'm taking this so seriously. It's weird. Ripley! Ripley! Ooh! Wee! How dare you? How dare you? How dare you? Hi, puppy. Hi, puppy. Hi, puppy. Thank you for that. You can tell that Ripley is the main inspiration for all of these noises. This one didn't end up being as funny. I guess it's because I'm more experienced with being able to improvise noises or something? I don't know. I'm gonna upload it anyway, and I'll probably just suffer because other people aren't gonna find it funny either, but whatever. Yep, best version of Oh My One True Love by Metaton. You heard it from me. Spread the word. I'm gonna have to come up with like this really weird noise. I make it completely new, but I'm gonna add like a whole bunch of effects to it and make it really, really terrible sounding. 3, 2, 1. No, that's not gonna. I'm not. Wow, I've been doing this for 9 minutes straight now. There's other people in my house, so I wonder what they're thinking right now. This has been the Many Weird Noises of Viri, Part 2. So, yeah, that was a thing. Bye.